Is your Android phone showing storage full again and again? Today I show you an official Google Chrome settings that can help you free up several gigabytes of storage safely and easily. Don't skip this video because the last tip is very important. First, open Google Chrome on your Android phone. Tap the three dots in the top right corner. Now go to Settings. Scroll down and tap on Site Settings. Next, scroll down and tap on Save Data. Here you will see a list of websites you have visited. Each website stores some data on your phone for faster loading and better experience. Over time, this data can grow to 5 GB, 10 GB or even more, depending on your browsing habits. Before deleting anything, watch this next part carefully because many people make a small mistake here. At the top, tap on Delete All Data. Confirm the action. This will remove the stored website data from your phone. I clean this regularly so the amount on my phone is small. If you never checked this section before, you might be surprised how much storage is being used. On important things to remember. After cleaning this data, some website may log you out. This is completely normal. You can simply log back in again. This process is safe because it uses Google Chrome official storage management feature. After doing this, you may notice more free storage space, faster Chrome performance, less background data build-up, smoother phone experience, reduced lag. This small step can make a big difference over time. Now try this on your own phone. Comment below and tell me how much storage did you manage to free up. If you use Chrome daily, check this saved data section on a month. It helps keep your storage clean and your phone running smoothly. If this video helped you, share it with someone whose phone is always running out of storage. Subscribe for more simple and useful Android tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. If you like this video, please like, comment and share it.